The job of science is to explain nature. Scientists explain nature by breaking nature into smaller and smaller pieces, and then organizing those pieces into an orderly system that shows patterns within nature. Here we see an example of the concept of scale in science. The geologic time scale divides the Earth's rocks based on how old the rocks are and by similarity of fossils found in the rocks. The concept of scale is an idea that expresses how big or small a topic is compared to similar entities. Here is another example of the concept of scale. The pH scale organizes and ranks acids and bases. Entities and ideas can be classified or arranged by comparisons. Here we see the Linnaean hierarchy. This is a system to organize living things that uses the concept of scale. The concept of scale shows those comparisons by making clear the relative size of different entities in nature. Science is about taking something, nature, that is very big and breaking it into smaller and smaller pieces, the concept of scale. The concept of scale started with the writings of the great Greek philosopher Aristotle. Here's an example of the concept of scale: quark to proton, to nucleus, to atom, to molecule. Aristotle is the father of Western science. His teachings stressed dividing nature into different parts and then categorizing those parts. The concept of scale allows scientists to concentrate their study of nature on one part of nature at a time and place that part into the context of the whole. Atoms are the basic unit in chemistry. Atoms are what matter is made from. In chemistry, we study matter, the things that nature is made from. Atoms are the basic unit of all matter. Biology is the study of life. A single living thing is called an organism. Organisms are the basic unit for organizing life. Organisms can be broken down into organ systems. Organ systems are made from organs, which are made from tissues. Tissues are made from cells, and cells are composed of molecules. Molecules are made of atoms. Organisms can be grouped into populations and communities. Organisms, along with the environment, can make up ecosystems. All ecosystems together make the biosphere. English uses the concept of scale. Letters form words, words form phrases, phrases become clauses. Sentences are made from clauses. Paragraphs are made from sentences. Books are made from paragraphs. Clauses are the basic unit of organization in the English language. So clauses are to English what the organism is to biology. Likewise, clauses are to English what the atom is to chemistry. Clauses make sentences. Clauses always have a process, a verb, and participants as a noun or noun group. Clauses express ideas, present experiences, and proclaim relationships. To review, the concept of scale is what science is all about. By using the concept of scale, scientists can divide nature into smaller and smaller pieces, and then organize those pieces by similarities. An example of the concept of scale is what makes up an organism. Organisms are made of organ systems, which are made of organs. Organs are made of tissues, and tissues are made of cells. Cells are made from molecules, which are made from atoms. English uses the concept of scale. Letters form words. Words form phrases. Phrases become clauses. Sentences are made from clauses. Below we see letters, and these letters are all jumbled up. If we organize the letters, we can make words like biology and organism. Phrases are groups of words that cannot express a complete idea. For an example, the basic unit in biology. Clauses are groups of words that have both a participant and a process, so they express ideas. For example, an organism is the basic unit in biology. Sentences can always express a complete idea and can stand alone. Sometimes sentences can also have more than one clause in the sentence. For example, organisms are the basic unit in biology, and the clause is the basic unit in English.